Jake,
Yoy.
do you know what the 20th letter of the alphabet is?
Does it just so happen to shout its name of a British beverage that originates from Asia?
Yes. Do you know what we're going to be doing today?
Does it just so happen we're going to be rating some T-poses on Reddit?
Frick yeah.
Nice. So, I mean, there's a lot of T-poses around. Each scarier than the last, usually.
What's poppin' LGBT pose?
You stop that, that doesn't belong to us. Right. Let's go on. So we've got some T-poses here.
Is that the guy who does that? You're making me lose my marbles!
I don't know, it's majestic. That's all I know. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Nice. Oh,
Ew,
no.
no, that doesn't even get a rating. That's how disgusting it is.
2 out of 10. Disgusting T-pose.
Ew, even worse.
Oh no.
Oh
Ooh.
shit. Oh,
Mario the whole time.
It's so cursed.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh no.
8 out of 10.
8 to take.
It's 8-bit out of 10.
Kill yourself.
That's not very nice.
Sorry.
That's uncalled for.
Shit, reloaded. I'll reload my gun just to ah! Poor Wally. He never asked for this.
He didn't deserve this. He was in a beautiful movie.
I never liked Wally.
I rate this image 9 out of 10. I rate you 0 out of 10.
Oh.
Just for that.
Okay. We want to die. Oh no.
Ooh,
Oh no.
I can relate.
That's so sad.
It'd be beautiful to spend your last moments T-posing, you know.
When I'm in my casket, you know what I'm gonna do?
This.
I'm gonna ask to get T-posed. The position that I'm gonna be in is I'm gonna be T-posed.
That'd make a very wide coffin though. You'd have to buy a big plot of land.
Well, you know.
I
don't like how it's a screenshot. You know, they could have cropped it out.
It's at 4% as well.
Oh no.
I thought it said 3 AM, like 4 AM at that moment. But
That'd
give it a 9 out of 10.
Mm.
Anyways, this has Carl here. You know,
Is that Balloon Boy from?
No, it's. Oh, I just said who it was.
Oh right, sorry.
Oh, you unconscious. He's waiting to get his croissant. Oh, here's a good one to end on. You know, they get
Fot. Oh, what?
got T-pose.
That guy doesn't have a head.
Wait, no.
That guy doesn't have a head. That guy doesn't.
Wait, what?
Why doesn't he have a head?
8 out of 10. That's
9
impressive.
out of 10.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
69 out of 10.
Pi cubed out of 10.
420 out of 10.
Oh, okay, I know we said we'd end on that last
That's
one, but this
actually
is
terrifying.
majestic.
You know, that scares me. He looks, the guy in black and white looks so shocked.
They all look shocked.
He looks
like, even
so
the guy
scared.
behind him. Oh god.
He looks terrified.
Tell you what,
He can...
one last one.
Oh shit, Jesus!
The originator of the T-pose. Little do we know, Jesus himself listened to Gucci Gang 7 times and invented the T-pose back in 2006.
Ah.
The more you know.
Little did we know the Earth started in 2006. Did.
Fact. Don't listen to the archaeologists, they're false.
The fought archaeologist.
That was uncalled.
Everything's uncalled for. This video was uncalled for.
Good point. And on that note, we conclude the video.
Goodbye, my boys!